Preparing for the 2026 AMT RMA exam? This guide breaks down the official blueprint and gives you a clear plan. Let's start with the core facts for the 2026 Registered Medical Assistant exam from AMT. You'll face 210 multiple-choice questions with a 2-hour time limit. The passing score is a scaled 70, which isn't a simple percentage. AMT equates scores across different exam versions to ensure fairness. This means your focus should be on mastering the content, not just counting correct answers. The application fee is currently $150, which covers your application, the exam, and your first annual fee. The key to success is knowing what to study most. The 2026 AMT Blueprint is divided into 3 work areas, not 4 like some older guides show. The largest and most important area is clinical medical assisting, which makes up a massive 55% of the exam with 115 questions. Next is general medical assisting, accounting for 31% or 65 questions. Finally, administrative medical assisting is the smallest section at just 14% with 30 questions. Understanding those weights is your strategic advantage. With more than half the exam focused on clinical topics, your study priority is clear. Devote the majority of your time to clinical medical assisting. This includes topics like infection control, venipuncture, ECGs, vital signs, and pharmacology. Once you feel confident there, shift your focus to the second largest area, general medical assisting. This covers anatomy, medical law, and ethics. Save the smallest section, administrative medical assisting, for last to maximize your score. Here's a practical plan to get you started. In weeks 1 and 2, build your foundation. Review the full blueprint and start with the clinical work area. As you study, keep a log of any topics you find difficult. During weeks 3 and 4, continue with clinical procedures like order of draw and ECGs, but start integrating them with the relevant anatomy and physiology from the general work area. This connects the concepts, making them easier to remember under pressure. In the second half of your plan, it's all about practice and timing. During weeks 5 and 6, take timed quizzes focused on specific work areas, especially the larger clinical and general sections. This builds both speed and accuracy. In week 7, take at least 2 full-length mixed simulations to get used to the exam's pace. For your final week, focus on short daily reviews of your week topics. Avoid cramming new material and confirm your test day logistics. Before you register, know that AMT offers 5 flexible eligibility paths, so you may qualify through education, work experience, military service, or even as an instructor. This makes the RMA an accessible credential for many. Also, be careful not to confuse the RMA from American Medical Technologists with the CMA from AAMA. They are separate credentials with different exams, rules, and blueprints. Make sure your study materials, like this guide, are specifically for the AMT RMA exam you're taking. Now you have a clear roadmap for the RMA exam. To put this plan into action, visit open-examprep.com. There, you'll find our complete RMA study guide for in-depth content review, flashcards to speed up your recall of key terms, and practice questions that match the exam's format. Using these free resources together is the best way to build the knowledge, speed, and decision-making skills you need to pass. Click the link in the description to get started.